In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products to Odoo. To get started, open Odoo and head to the Sales app. Once you're inside, look at the top navigation bar and click on Products. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Products again. This will take you to the main product list, where you can view all the products currently available in your system. This page is important because it's where Odoo lets you manage your product catalog, and it's also where the import option is available. If you're preparing to add many products at once, importing is much faster than creating them one by one manually. Now look toward the top left area of the page for the gear icon. Click that icon and from the menu that appears, select Import. This opens the Import tool, which is the feature Odoo uses to bring in product data from a file. Once the import window opens, you'll see an area where you can drag and drop your import file directly into Odoo. If you prefer, you can also click Upload and then browse your computer to select the file manually. Either method works the same way, so just use whichever is more convenient for you. At this point, Odoo will begin working with the file you selected so you can proceed with the import process. This is the key step that allows your product data to be brought into the platform in bulk, which can save a lot of time and help keep your records organized. If you're not sure whether your file is set up correctly, there's a helpful option built right into this screen. You can click Template to download the correct template for importing. This is especially useful if you want to make sure your columns and formatting match what Odoo expects. Using the template can help avoid common formatting issues and make the import smoother. After that, your products can be imported into Odoo and you're ready to continue managing them from the product list. It's a simple process once you know where to find the import option, and the template feature makes it even easier if you're starting from scratch. That's all for this tutorial.